unless your BMW i3 came with a technology package, you will have one of these small displays. So in this video, I will show you how to upgrade to the 10.25-inch display on your pre-LCI BMW i3. Alright, so of course the first step in replacing the screen is to remove the screen, and to do so we have to remove these two covers and then remove the T20 screws that are in there. So let's do that. Should be easy enough. And this one I have to use a hook because I have removed these before and they're kind of hard to get in there, but it comes off not too bad. You can probably get away with just using one of these though. And of course the next step is just to use the T20 to remove the two screws. All right, with both screws removed, we can lift off the screen just like that. All right, and now we have to unplug the video cable. There it is. All right. Okay, now we're gonna plug it in. Okay, that's plugged in. The wires are out of the way. Now we can just pop that back on. And then the second one. Perfect. Both of the screws are in. I'm just gonna pop the little cover on in there as well. And the second one. All right, so the physical installation is now done. Now, what happens if you turn it on? Let's try it. So as you can see, without programming the unit, it just does not work. So let's get it programmed.